It's Solid Tech Hunter. Today we'll learn how to use SolidWorks for beginners. Uh, Actually, beginners face a lot of problems while starting SolidWorks. These are some basic problems that they face. So I will teach you how to use the basic fundamentals of the SolidWorks, that are lines, circles, rectangles, etc., etc. These are initial functions that should be known by a SolidWorks user. So these are important, so listen carefully and watch carefully. First of all, we open the SolidWorks. We have this particular window. We have the menu bar and the other facilities provided here. Okay, so first of all, click on File and then New. We are provided with the three options: Part, Assembly, and Drawing. Part is for the part means, as the name suggests, that we can design parts and other uh, small units of the machinery. Assembly is just like that, a number of parts when attached together make an assembly. And drawing is the viewing of our part or assembly in different views or different projections. Okay, just click on the part. We have options like sketch, smart dimension, line, circle, other options. And these are the options for drawing. Okay, these are options for cutting, these are options for editing, and the last options are for other editings. So start by clicking on the sketch button. We are provided with different planes: front plane, top plane, and the right plane. Suppose I select top plane. Okay, this whole area is our work area. We can draw any of the lines or circles, that is the basic units of a part, or part modeling, or solid modeling. Or we can say making a part is easier here. So just start with the line. See here, just as we are provided with different options. The first is as sketched. That means as we move the cursor by clicking at particular intervals, it will draw the line. Suppose I click here, it will draw a horizontal line, then a vertical line, and a inclined line. I can draw at different angles, that is randomly. Okay, other option is the horizontal. That is, we apply a constraint on the line that we are drawing, that it must be horizontal, and it cannot be the other lines, that it cannot be the vertical line, it cannot be the horizontal, it cannot be the line at any angle. So we draw the horizontal line. Okay, this is a horizontal line. So it, as I move the cursor up or down, it will not draw a vertical or inclined line, so it will only draw a horizontal line. See this small minus sign, this means horizontal. Okay, as we click it will draw a horizontal line. If we click on the vertical, then it will apply the constraint on the line, that it only be vertical line, it cannot draw horizontal line if we click at that function, particular function. So as I move my cursor on the sides of the line, it will not draw a horizontal line, it will only draw lines as I move cursor up and down. Okay, the other option is the line at an angle. Here we are provided with two options: length of the line as is displayed here, and the angle of the line with the horizontal axis. Okay, or the x-axis. Just define its length. Suppose I define it 60 mm. Okay, and the angle be 45. Now as we click here, it will draw a line at 45 degree, plus or minus. Okay, that's it. Also, we are provided with other option, that is for construction, infinite length, or add dimensions. These are options that can be used for editing the line. For construction, make it dotted, that is like this. This line can be used to draw other entities. Okay. The other options are the infinite length. That is, we can place line at any place having infinite length. Okay. The other option is the add dimensions. Okay, we can add angle and its length, etc. Now now we get to the circle command. Circle command is basically used to draw circles. That is simple. The first one option is the simple circle that is we define as center point, its radius, and the circle is defined. Center point, radius, and the circle is defined. The other option is the perimeter circle. We have to define 3 points as displayed here. The see the 3 points are provided, so we have to define 3 points: first, second, and then third. First, second, and third. Okay. The other option is the rectangle. First of all, we have the corner rectangle. Uh, First corner we define. We have to define the first corner and then the second corner. Okay, we have the vertical or the horizontal rectangles. We can define its length and breadth. Okay, the other option is the center rectangle. In center rectangle, we only define the uh, rectangle by using the center point and the side or the vertex. Okay, center point and then a vertex. Okay, the next option is the 3 point corner rectangle. We have to define side and opposite point, 1, 2, and 3. That's it. The other option is 3 point center rectangle. We have to define the center of the rectangle, the its half of the length, and other point. Okay. Uh, the other option is a parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram can be used for drawing parallelograms. Okay, for any size and dimensions at any angle with the horizontal. Okay, that's it. Then we get with the arcs. Arcs of different types are there. Center point arc, we have to divide the radius and arc. Center point, radius, and arc. Center point, radius, and arc. The other option is the tangent arc. Tangent arc is basically used when we have to draw an arc between when we have to draw an arc between the two lines. Okay, suppose I draw these two lines, for example, line of rectangle. Okay, so I get the top view. So I have to draw a tangent arc. I select the point here and then another point here. That's it. Another arc is the 3 point arc. We have to define two diametrical points and the center point of the arc. 1, 2, and 3. Other other command is the slot command. Slot commands have different options provided in it. First is the straight slot. Just define a straight line and move your cursor besides that line, up or down or sideways. Other option is the center point straight slot. We have to just define the radius of the slot and it will automatically define the half of the slot, and that's it. Other is the 3 point arc slot. We have to define an arc just like as we done before, 3 point arc, and just expand it by moving your cursor. Okay. The other option is the center point arc slot. We have to draw an arc with center point, radius. Okay, we draw this arc and move our cursor up or down to get a slot. Other option is the polygon. Polygon command we have in polygon command we have the number of sides here, the circle or inside or outside, radius of the circle, and angle between the sides. So I have done the sides number of sides of the polygon be 10. So I draw this polygon. Okay. We can change these settings by applying new polygon. By selecting the different polygons, we can make it temporary, etc. So watch this video carefully and let me know your doubts. Comment in the down box, and don't forget to subscribe. uh, I will post more videos for this. Thanks.